You have to explain what you're doing and why.
Right, well this is Dougal, and when I got a dog I didn't want to give up biking, so I got a bike-sized dog, and it took us about a year to train him to do this. We started off in the house walking around with the gear on, then we went onto a push bike, then onto the motorbike, slowly for 5 minutes at 10 miles an hour, and now he can do up to about 45 minutes.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, how mad does this make you?
I think it's quite sensible actually. It's quite normal. You don't want to leave your dog behind.
What about Dougal? How's he take to it?
Well, you can see how worried he is. He loves it, put it this way. If I leave him and go out on the bike, he howls. If I leave him and go out by foot or in the car, he doesn't mind. I feel famous, but I know you're not looking at me.